Hey there, Aspen team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I want to congratulate you on making it to Amazon. We know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policies. My name is Charles from my Amazon Guy. It's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. Let's go ahead and start with your traffic here. So currently you are indexing for 358 organic keywords, which gives you free exposure in Amazon, of course. And at the same time, I see that you are running ads as well, which is the best way to grow sales. However, yes, you may want to lessen this a little bit right now since you are skewing low on organic keywords, meaning you are overspending on ads. So yeah, we do recommend a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every two organic keywords, there should be at least one paid keyword. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, we can either do two things. So, lessen your PPC keywords or improve your organic numbers. Like, okay, at least 300 more. Now, let's see how you're performing on your keywords here. So we've got box fan with 72,000 searches, window fan reversible airflow with 9,800, and then box fan 20-inch with 7,600. So let's talk about this one first. So I do see that you are ranking in the double digit organically, however, you are not bidding on it. So yeah, being ranked in the double digit organically means your product is buried deep in the search results, making it difficult for customers to find on Amazon. So by bidding on this keyword right here, you can increase your visibility at the same time improve your organic ranking, okay? Now, as for this two right here, you are ranking organically and at the same time you are bidding on it as well. However, yes, being ranked again in the double or triple digit organically means your product is still buried deep in the search results, making it difficult for customers to find on Amazon. Even though you are bidding on this keyword right here, your product is still way below the search results. So yeah, so it's either or much better to increase your organic numbers here to at least 1,000. Same goes with your paid keywords, just following the ratio, okay? Now, here's how big your category is, by the way. So just in the top 50 listings for this keyword right here, there's over $16.5 million in monthly revenue, and sellers are averaging around $230,000. It looks like to me that there's still quite a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. Of course, we can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Now, let's take a look at your competition as well. Just a heads up, we are not comparing products here. We are just simply looking at how we can benefit from their strategy. Of course, there will be differences in quality, quantity, and pricing. Now, as you can see for this brand, they have over 845 organic keywords and zero paid keywords. Do take note that for these numbers right here, these are keywords you can index for free as well, okay? Although they are not advertising, they are still banking on organic keywords, which is the reason why they have higher sales than you. Just in the past month alone, they managed to sell almost 400 units and over $18,000 in revenue. We can help you close the gap by doing a keyword gap analysis. That's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into your listings. So we are going to take a look at least 10 competitors when doing the keyword gap analysis. Pick the words that most of them rank in the top 10 results with the most impressions. Find all of the relevant keywords and index it to your product for more customers. Now, where do we add those keywords? First off, we can add them here in the title. So that's 200 characters of highly relevant keywords. Same goes with their bullet points, although this is already great, but we are still going to optimize this one. So right after doing the keyword gap analysis and once we have all our relevant keywords, we are going to make changes and optimize them both, okay? And speaking of images, great set of images here, okay? You may want to add one more image at least. Yeah, Amazon does allow us to add seven or more images. Okay, so that's the bare minimum, if I say so. Now, I noticed that you are not utilizing an A plus content and a brand story, which is another missed potential. So, yeah, if you do need help building one, we can assist you with that. Let me show you quickly a good example of a well optimized listing. This one right here is Age of Sage, one of our works at my Amazon guy. If you scroll down right here, you can then see the brand story. So this is where you can talk about your brand to increase brand awareness and showcase other of your products to increase average order value while also pushing down competitors. And this one right here is the A plus content wherein you can add lots of enticing and engaging images and videos, including 500 to 1,000 words of highly relevant keywords. So yeah, possible to have a great looking A plus content that also generates traffic from SEO. Now, My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend. That's driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across every pillar of growth, whether it's PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. Whether you are losing right, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that will deliver real results. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to start growing your sales on Amazon. Thank you and have a great day.